Hi friends. In this video, I'll tell you how many liters of oil a Chevrolet Aveo needs depending on the year and engine. Let's get started. For Chevrolet Aveos manufactured between 2004 and 2008, most versions equipped with 1.4 liter and 1.6 liter engines require between 3.5 and 3.75 liters of oil when changing it, along with the filter. The exact amount depends on the engine you have installed. For models from 2009 to 2011, Chevrolet kept similar engines, so the oil capacity basically didn't change. In most versions, you'll find capacities between 3.5 and 3.75 liters, although it's always important to check the specific engine in your vehicle. With the arrival of the new generation of the Aveo, available in many countries between 2012 and 2018, much more modern engines appeared, like the 1.4 liter and the 1.6 liter, whose oil capacity is usually between 4.0 and 4.5 liters, depending on the version and whether or not the oil filter is replaced. In some markets, the Chevrolet Aveo continued to be sold until 2018 with updated engines, so the oil capacity may vary depending on the country, the year, and the type of engine. The best thing to do is always confirm the specifications that correspond to your vehicle. Remember, remember this, it's not just about the amount of oil. You should also use the viscosity recommended by Chevrolet, like 5W30 or 5W20, or the one indicated in the owner's manual. After you fill the engine, start it for a few minutes, turn it off, and wait a moment before checking the level with the dipstick. That way, you'll make sure the oil level is correct. See you soon.